Hello Trendy viewers, welcome back. We are working with active voice, passive voice. Now we are going to discuss how to change the voice when the questions are there. Interrogative sentences, that is nothing but questions. Ordinary questions are yes or no questions. Active voice to passive voice, how to change, let us see now. Can you play hockey? Can hockey be played by you? See here, can, the helping verbs will come in the beginning for the questions. Helping verb must be in the beginning only, because even in the passive voice we are not giving answer. This is question only, just voice we have changed, but it is question. In the question format only we have to prepare this. So can, the helping verb must be in the beginning again. Can you play hockey? What is the object? Hockey is the object, that becomes the subject. So, can hockey be played? B form will come, no? Be played, V3, by you. You is the subject, becomes the object. Have you finished the work? Has the work been finished by you? See here, have, has, these two come in the present perfect tense. When the subject is in the singular, and that is third person singular, the work is third person singular, so has should be given. So has the work has been finished by you? Has she given the speech? Here the speech also is third person singular, she also is third person singular, that is why has will not be changed, that is same. Has the speech been given by her? Had, this is past perfect. So for had there is no problem. Had was the happy in the singular, plural, third person, any person, had only we use. So had he taken the books? Had the books, the object becomes the subject. Had the books been taken by him? He becomes him. Are you reading novel? Is novel being read by you? Read is the V3 form. Is novel, novel is third person singular, present tense. So simple present tense, is. Is novel being. When ing form is there, in the passive voice also ing form must come. So is novel being read by you? Am I taking your pen? Is your pen being taken by me? Here pen is third person, so is. Here I, first person, so I am I. Will he call you? Will you be called by him? Shall I bring water? Should water be brought by me? Do they speak English? Is English spoken by them? Does he sell mangoes? Are mangoes sold by him? Because mangoes is plural, so are. Here English is singular, is. And now, how to change WH questions? Before that, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and touch the bell icon. WH questions. Who has taken your pen? Who ఒక్కదానికి by whom అనేది వాడాలండి ఖచ్చితంగా. మిగతా అన్నిటికీ సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్ వర్డ్ మనం ఇక్కడ యూజ్ చేయాలి. సేమ్ WH వర్డ్ ఇక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తాం పాసివ్ వాయిస్లో. కానీ ఓన్లీ హూకి మాత్రం బై హూమ్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. సో హూ హ్యాస్ టేకెన్ యువర్ పెన్? బై హూమ్ హ్యాస్ యువర్ పెన్ బీన్ టేకెన్? For all perfect tenses, has, have, had, for all these, in the passive voice we have to add been. And why was he brought gift? Why was the gift brought by him? How has he caught the ball? How has the ball been caught by him? The ball third person singular, he third person singular, so helping verb has is the same for both. Where are you buying clothes? Where are the clothes being bought by you? When do you attend the classes? When are the classes attended by you? Do you అన్నాము, you కాబట్టి do అని పెట్టాము. Classes కదా థర్డ్ పర్సన్ కదా, సో are, that is In the present tense, are the classes attended by you? When did you bring the chair? When was the chair brought by you? The chair did is simple past tense, so was is used as the helping verb. Why did you not give the toy? Why was the toy not given by you? Not ఉంటే not కూడా ఖచ్చితంగా passive voiceలో యూజ్ చేస్తాం. Who taught you English? By whom were you? See here, you is the second person, so you after were we use. You were taught. Were you taught? Thank you for watching. Stay connected.